How to apply for a Capital One bank checking account online. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser and type in capitalone.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Capital One. Now over here, you will find different sections. Click on this option of checking and savings. Under that, you will find different sections. Head towards this section of checking. Under that, you will find the option of 360 checking. Click on it. You will be directed to this page. Over here, you'll see this option of open account. Click on it. Let's get started. Scroll down. You'll see this option of continue. Click on it. You will land to this kind of page. Now there are 4 steps to create your account. Firstly, personal info and then identity, terms and conditions and fund. Now fill this, type in your first name and last name and then click on continue. Type in your email address, confirm it and click on continue. Now over here, you will need to type in your mobile number and then click on continue. And in the next page, you have to go through the terms and conditions of the bank and click on accept. And finally, you have to fill up the fund. You have to go through all the process and complete it. With that, your account will be created. Capital One Financial Corporation is an American bank holding company specializing in credit cards, auto loans, banking, and saving accounts headquartered in MC Lane, Virginia, with operations primarily in the United States. So this is how you can easily apply for a Capital One bank checking account online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.